Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of cluttered kitchens and disorganized bakeries? The VEVOR Bun Pan Rack is here to change that. This incredible product offers a solution to your storage needs, providing extra space and a high capacity to hold all your baking essentials. With its versatile usage, it's perfect for bakeries, restaurants, catering services, and more, meeting public health standards for your peace of mind. The VEVOR Bun Pan Rack features ample space and a robust load capacity, allowing you to store a large quantity of full-size or half-size bun pans or trays. The wider wheels ensure durability and strength, with a total load capacity of 530 pounds, making it a reliable choice for your business. As you roll the rack, the convenient rear brake wheels glide smoothly, making it easy to transport and store your goodies. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, praising its effectiveness in streamlining their baking operations. The VEVOR Bun Pan Rack is well reviewed and popular among bakers and restaurateurs, and for good reason. The rack's sturdy construction and generous storage capacity make it an essential tool for any commercial kitchen. In real-life use cases, this product shines, providing a convenient and efficient way to organize your baking supplies. Unlike other products on the market, the VEVOR Bun Pan Rack offers a unique combination of storage and mobility, making it a valuable addition to any bakery or restaurant. With its high capacity and durable construction, it's the perfect choice for businesses that need to store and transport large quantities of baked goods. In conclusion, the VEVOR Bun Pan Rack is a game-changer for any bakery or restaurant looking to streamline their operations and increase efficiency. With its extra storage, high capacity, and convenient features, it's an essential tool for any commercial kitchen. Whether you're a seasoned baker or just starting out, this product is sure to impress, providing a reliable and effective solution to your storage needs. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.